Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Amazon affiliate account. Whether you're consolidating your affiliate programs or simply no longer need the account, this process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, open your web browser and navigate to affiliate-program.amazon. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will bring you to your affiliate dashboard where you can access all your account settings and information. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as a menu icon. Click on those three lines and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Account and then click on Account Settings. This is where all your account management options are housed, including the ability to modify or close your account entirely. Once you're in the account settings section, you'll want to click on Close Your Account. This is the critical step that initiates the account deletion process. Amazon wants to make sure you're certain about this decision, so they'll walk you through a few confirmation steps before finalizing the closure. Next, you'll need to select your reason for closing the account by clicking the drop-down menu. Amazon provides several options here, such as not making enough commissions, switching to another affiliate program, or simply no longer needing the service. Choose the option that best reflects your situation. This feedback helps Amazon understand why affiliates leave their program and potentially improve their services in the future. If you'd like to provide additional context about your decision, you can optionally type feedback in the designated field. This is entirely up to you and isn't required to proceed with closing your account. Some people find it helpful to explain their specific circumstances, while others prefer to keep it simple and skip this step altogether. Finally, when you're ready to complete the process, click on Close Your Account Now. This is the final confirmation step, and once you click it, your Amazon affiliate account will be closed. Keep in mind that this action is typically irreversible, so make sure you've downloaded any reports or information you might need from your account before proceeding with this final step. And that's it. You've successfully closed your Amazon affiliate account. The process is designed to be simple while ensuring you have multiple opportunities to confirm your decision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.